The cylinder base radius is small r equal to 2.8 meters and height is capital H equal to 3.5 meters. For the cone, radius is small r equal to 2.8 meters, height is small h equal to 2.1 meters. Use that to find the slant height. You can find the square root using long division. And height of the cone is L equal to 3.5 meters. For the 10, we assume that the canvas is used for the sides and the top. So we find CSF cylinder plus CSF cone. Take pi r common if needed. Substitute the values. Area of canvas required for one tent is 92.4 meters square. Cost of 1 meter square of canvas is 120 rupees. So to find the cost for 1500 tents, we multiply 1500 into 92.4 into 120. This amount will be shared by 50 schools. So divide by 50 to find the amount for each school.